What's up, guys? We're doing a really quick repair on the E46 on my 330ci right now. It's the washer fluid pump. So I've got the parts here. Ordered them from Euro Parts, from ECS Tuning. They got them here pretty quick and relatively cheap. Fresh pump filter, and we'll get this done really quick. Should just take a few minutes. Alright, so here's the reservoir, and the pump is attached to the reservoir. The reservoir is held down by this 110. So this single 10 should be the only thing holding it on, and then it'll pull up. Okay. Alright, and this clip slides to the side. It's a plastic bracket, and this clip presses there, pull it straight out, and that disconnects that. And here's the old pump. It should just be seated in there, just like that. And this old clip is broken, it's already gone. Here's the old pump. There's like buildup and stuff on it, so probably way overdue to be changed. Go. Alright, the fresh new one versus the old ratty one. This new filter on there. That's what it's supposed to look like. It just slides right on. Press it down in place. And the hose is down here. Let's go ahead and squeeze that back on. And then this is the level gauge. That'll, so to get the dash light turned off, you gotta make sure that thing's plugged in good. Get this clip here. Slide it back in place. And make sure you connect the clip back in, and then it should slide right back where it was. Reconnect the 10, fill it up with fluid. That's how easy that is. Go. Alright, doing a quick function test to make sure everything works after we set it all up. Just key in the ignition. And now we have fluid. Yes. Alright, quick repair. Took me less than 5 minutes. Now I can go inside because it's really cold for California. It's like 60 degrees maybe.
Dang, we're about to see snow.
Nah, not enough clouds. Thanks for watching and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Thanks for the support.